Hey, it's Leanna and Jeff, Realty One Group, with another edition of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are out at 2462 Sylvan Hymn. This was a Century Communities build in Sestina, so we're super close to Aventura Park.
Walking distance, full show.
I guess everything is walking distance if you're willing to put in the work. So, nice tile.
Yeah.
Looks like porcelain tile on a
Very
diagonal.
Clean, for sure.
So I like this floor plan because you have a full bath down and a bed that's right behind me.
A bedroom. Oh, this would make an amazing office. It would. Or guest room.
So recessed lighting.
Beautiful.
I have a new gimbal today.
New toy.
And I just panned the wrong way. Okay, here we go.
All right.
This is pretty.
This is terrific. I like this floor plan very much.
So 5-inch baseboards, upgraded, a nice two-tone
paint. Look at
paint.
that fan.
I do like this fan.
Woo, and it's been summer in Vegas, so whew, we like a fan right now.
So I love the fact that they took this bank of cabinets all the way down. It gives you so much more.
I love that. Yeah. Wow, that really extends the kitchen so nicely.
It does.
I mean, if I had my girls over and we were baking cookies, we'd be so happy to have all this counter space.
So nice pendant lights, nice stainless steel fridge. Fridge stay?
Fridge stays.
Washer dryer?
Washer dryer too.
All right, so quartz countertops. I always like to check for
they don't have those,
pullouts.
But I wasn't going to bring it up. I already checked.
Pop into the garage.
Storage.
So, epoxy floors.
Woo-hoo.
Additional storage there.
This garage is a party. I love that they painted this a color. It's not white. Most garages are just, white.
Tankless water heater.
This is really nice. Makes it look more finished with the color on it, I think.
It does. So the real reason that you'd want this home, let's go out to the backyard.
Oh, use your big muscles.
All right, so.
Oh, yes.
So covered patio, but pool and no rear neighbors.
Is that a park behind us?
So it's part of the walking trail.
Oh, are those like the exercise machines that they have?
Yeah, they kind of have like that whole workout kind of thing.
I can't see.
You'll have to wait till we go upstairs. Yeah, this is really cool with no rear neighbors.
Yeah.
And, this home was in contract and came back on because the buyer failed to qualify, which has been somewhat of a challenge right now with the interest rates. Last week, they ticked up higher than they've been in a year. So,
but you know what? This is priced at $580. A pool home.
$580.
And it's for $580. That's incredible.
Yeah,
that's a terrific price.
And what's the square footage?
It's 2148, but it seems a lot bigger than that.
So you get a bedroom down, you get a pool, you get a kitchen.
Bedroom and a full bath down.
Yeah.
To be.
We'll head upstairs. So as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanna and I are out here. We're trying to deliver these episodes to you once a day, when possible. Sometimes real life hits us, or you know, we also have our day job where we sell homes.
We don't just do filming.
So this would be bedroom 2.
This is an
with a
awesome
closet.
I love that there's a loft up here. This is, I mean, it's not a giant room loft, but this is really great space.
I always thought it'd be cool, you know, just with a desktop across here, you know, whether it's a little homework station for the kids kind of thing. So
says the kid who
said the kid who never did his homework. So
full bath.
Full bath.
Nice.
We shared between the bedrooms 3 and 4. So upstairs laundry.
Love it. Washer and dryer do stay.
And they stay. They almost look like some kind of like future time machine that would have been on Back to the Future. So this is bedroom 4.
Awesome.
You know what? And if you want to see,
I do want to see
the back.
because I couldn't see. Okay, yeah, it's the exercise machines. That is so cool. That's incredible.
All right, and we'll head over to the primary.
I see a pretty color.
I like this. Yeah, that's a pretty soothing blue.
Very warm and inviting. Mountain views.
Oh, nice.
Oh, hello.
You know what? I was anticipating something much smaller.
I was too, but this is really big. I like it.
I like those shelves.
Yeah. I could line my shoes up there.
Yeah. Oh, another fantastic.
Another fan. Woo!
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
All right. So separate water closet, 12 by 24 tiles, more storage.
Wow, this is really long too.
Yeah.
3
windows in here.
Yeah.
4, super bright.
Such great natural light. Love
Shop
it.
tower combo. And then check out how long this vanity setup is. Dual sinks. Yeah, a nice one, huh?
Super nice.
So, as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix Realty One Group, homesandinspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. They're all here. And if you'd like to see this home or any other, just reach out to us. We actually live just on the other side of Aventura Park ourselves, so we appreciate you watching.